It's the largest organ in the beehive, and it carries the very life of the hive, telegraphing the bees' vibrations as messages through the hive. It holds stored food and babies as they grow and hatch. It holds heat and keeps everyone warm on a cold night. It's the bees' wax. Bees have 8 pockets on their abdomen and glands that secrete the beeswax as a liquid, which then cools into a tiny scale. The bees will then use her foot to pull out a scale of wax and chew it with her mouth to form it to build the honeycombs. Research by Jürgen Tots has shown that bees actually build the combs round. Yes, they build the combs round. And it's the surface tension of the adjacent cells and heat from the bees that cause the wax to form the hexagon shape. You can test this theory yourself with some soap and water. If you have one bubble, it will be round. But as soon as other bubbles join it, the shape of the bubble changes to a hexagon due to the pressure of the adjacent bubbles. Honeycomb works the same way. A new scale of wax is clear, but once it's chewed by the bees, it becomes an off-white color. Over time, the color changes to a light tan, a light brown, and then as it ages, it'll turn dark brown. Think of a white rug being run over by a few million feet. In the brood area, the larvae will pupate inside their cells, and the husk of the casings from their pupation will build up in the wax. Old brown combs are thicker and hold heat really well, but those combs aren't for eating. The honeycombs hang in the hive, whether it's inside a tree or a wall or in a wooden beehive. The bees know to build the combs with a slight 15-degree upward slant. By doing this, the honey will not drip out of the combs while they hang. Honeybees are truly one of the greatest gifts for mankind. After gathering honey, the beeswax can be melted down and made into candles, giving light to humans since ancient times. The beeswax cleans the air and is most helpful to people with allergies. They emit negative ions which attach to the bad positive ones and make them drop from the air, cleaning it. No other candle can do that. Beeswax candles can warm up a room and give it a beautiful scent that is totally unique to bees and their honey.